Simple frame for modular sockets. The PNI RM101W simple glass frame for modular sockets is a modern, elegant and versatile solution for arranging and equipping spaces with sockets and electrical connections. Wear-resistant tempered glass frame. Its aesthetics and ability to adapt to various trends make this product an excellent choice for any interior design project. Whether it's an office space or a residential apartment, this double glass frame combines beauty with function, offering a quality product to customers who appreciate both looks and utility.